आई सी यहाँ पे काफ़ी मेडिकल कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स हैं और मैं भी साइंस स्टूडेंट थी पास्ट में और मुझे साइकाइट्रिस्ट बनना था बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे पेरेंट्स को लगा मैं सबको पागल कर दूंगी तो मैंने वो चीज़ आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं की बट आई थिंक डेस्टिनी हैड समथिंग एल्स एंड टुडे आई वाज I'm at another level and I'm really blessed and lucky जहाँ पे भी मैं हूँ and please excuse my voice because I wasn't well since 2 to 3 days and यहाँ के कुछ students definitely मुझे medicines देंगे I expect that and I'm really lucky that I'm here to meet you all guys, see you all guys and I wish everyone a very happy journey. I mean college life है एक ही बार होती है तो उसे अच्छे से खुल के अच्छे से enjoy करना. That is what I feel and I'm from Mumbai guys and especially I have come here to meet everyone. So I hope जिन्होंने Splitsvilla देखा होगा had an amazing journey. So yeah, if you guys wanna ask any questions, you can go ahead.
Right.
Yeah, please have it. Seen public celebrities, but it's just that we get to see them after their success.
Yes.
So we would just like to know in a crux what have been your journey, like from the start when you were there in Mitibai. You were there in Mitibai College and you just won the college festival. I suppose that was the mark of the start for your journey. So I would like to know in the crux what went all.
So I never thought like I would be a social media influencer one day. I would be a part of a reality show. मेरा बहुत normal college life था and I started modeling in the 3rd year of my college and I did beauty pageants and फिर भी उसके बाद I did a corporate job. But somewhere I got to know I'm not someone जो 9 to 7 काम कर सके. And then धीरे धीरे I started posting things on Instagram and I got very good response. Then मुझे Splitsvilla का offer. So this is how things were really unexpected. मतलब मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसी सब चीजें होंगी. मुझे लगा मैं normal job करूँगी and अपनी simple life जीऊँगी.
So it was all destined, you mean?
It was everything destined.
Okay.
It was never planned.
So as it is said that inspirations are the fuel to the speed. So what was that moment, or what was something which inspired you? What was that particular thing? Like for example, I am a mass communication student. Why do I wish to pursue mass communication? Because I've been an outspoken child since the childhood. So I love to speak. I have that vocal voice. What was there in you which you thought you would take over?
So since 3rd year of my college, when I started modeling, I did beauty pageants, people really started liking me on social media as well. I got very good response and कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लोगों ने ही इंस्पायर किया ये चीजें करने के लिए. लोगों के कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ने मुझे इंस्पायर किया.
Definitely.
And people actually started loving me. So actually that was the biggest motivation. Otherwise I wouldn't have continued doing all this.
As it is said, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder.
Yeah.
Thank you. Like as it is widely said, a helping hand is upheld very important. So like, do you have anyone whom would you claim to be your godfather? Like, is there anyone who helped you to get in the position where you are today?
I think I never had a godfather, but there are some 1 or 2 friends who were very supportive. I think you should be with people who actually support you, motivate you. आपने तो ये सुना होगा. So मेरे 1-2 ऐसे friends हैं, childhood friends हैं, जिन्होंने मुझे काफी support किया है since day 1. So I think they are the only reasons where I am today. Otherwise there are times जब मुझे low feel होता था. There were times when I used to feel like quitting. But उन्होंने मुझे उस time पे संभाला and that's why I think I'm here. Yeah.
As you mentioned about quitting, so what we all are aware about in this world or in this generation of social media is there has been a negative factor of social media.
Yes.
Wherein people actually outspoke, people go in the comments, people go in the captions and try to figure out
Try to bully you actually.
Yeah. So were there any setbacks for you while in your journey where you feel that acclamation?
Definitely, I do see negative comments as well, and it's not just me. It's every other girl or a boy, social media influencer, and even actors, everyone face it. I think we should ignore such type of negative people because I think they don't have anything to do in their life apart from this. I think to pull people down, that is their work. So I think we should ignore such people who are useless and try to make you feel useless.
That's a
You should only concentrate on positive things and love that you get from people.
That's a bold statement. Okay, while coming down to the statements, so I simply follow some people. I look them down. So when I look down to a celebrity, for me, the statements made by a celebrity are truth.
Yeah.
Their views are a way of life.
Exactly.
So, do you feel any such pressure कि आज मैं अगर ये बोलूँगी, if I do this thing या मैं कुछ promote करती हूँ, and it might have some consequences, it might impact people's lives. So what are your choices?
Right now, what I'm speaking.
No, in general, like
In
for
general.
example, just like consuming an aerated drink, okay, like just consuming aerated drink or smoking can even influence your followers because for
Definitely.
your followers, you are their way of life. So
Exactly.
how do you make a critical approach to it?
If you see my Instagram page, I'm very much particular about the brands that I promote. It's not about money always. There are a lot of times I have got good offers for brands that I don't want to promote, and especially जो मेरा Instagram का crowd है, what I know from my insights, it's more of a young generation. So I am very careful about the things I promote. I have never promoted any alcoholic drink or any smoking because I myself don't do it. अगर मैं वो चीज़ कर रही होती then I will have definitely promoted it. And I think थोड़ा बहुत कभी-कभी पार्टी के लिए चलता है guys. इतना भी serious होना जरूरी नहीं है life में.
So while we talk about the youth and the young generation, the
Yeah.
Generation Z, we have a lot of young minds over here, and we are sure there would be many fans of you. So
Yeah.
people, do we have any questions like before moving forward? Like all those who aspire to be over here one day on the stage, and those who are looking forward themselves as social media influencers, they are open to ask questions right now. Like, do we have any questions?
I don't think so. People have any questions.
Okay. So
I
like.
can't see any hands.
No, but we would want you to lip sync if you don't mind and if you're comfortable.
My voice is very bad right now. People will go if I start singing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So never mind. I had this thing. Like, I just want your opinion.
Yeah.
Being a female protagonist is a great success for people, and in nation like India, where we are developing Bollywoods and Indian cinema, like there has been always a factor of like the pseudo social evil that is called female objectifying.
Yes.
So what are your critical claims upon that? What are your views?
I think, yes, I do agree. There are some things that happen in cinema which objectifies female, and I don't like it personally. बट धीरे धीरे मुझे लगता है कि इन चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कशंस हो रही हैं एंड पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू चेंज देयर पर्सपेक्टिव एंड आई कैन सी लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट इन द कंटेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सिनेमा. Yeah.
There is this thing which I had heard a lot after SSR case, that Sushant Singh Rajput case,
Yeah.
about the nepotism and the polarity in the Bollywood and the media industry that we have in India. So, like, have you ever faced something like that where you had to go through it personally?
आई थिंक अभी तक तो मैंने ऐसे कुछ फेस नहीं किया है. माई ओपिनियन अकॉर्डिंग टू नेपोटिज्म इज सपोज इफ यू आर अ हेड ऑफ अ कंपनी.
Yeah.
आई मीन ऑब्वियसली आप अपने किसी कजिन या मामा के बेटे को पहले प्रायोरिटी देंगे, राइट? सो आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी नेचुरल, बट व्हाट आई बिलीव इज if you have talent, and not just talent, but if you work hard, आपको किसी भी फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट हो तो मेहनत के बाद कहीं कभी ना कभी तो आपको मंजिल मिलती है. सो आई थिंक हार्ड वर्क एंड टैलेंट does matter and उनको recognition मिलती है. थोड़ा सा slight difference होता है when it comes to opportunities, but you should believe in yourself. That is what I think.
That's something really appreciated.
Yeah.
And after that, I had this thing, like all of are very well versed. There is this recent case scenario going on while there was this cab driver who was beaten
Yes,
upon in the streets of
yes,
Lucknow.
yes.
You're aware about that thing.
Yes, I'm aware. Everyone is aware on social media
So
about it.
it's being really shared about this. So there had been a hashtag which has been used about fake feminism. So there was this case before in the early 2021 about that Zomato guy and the girl.
Exactly.
So what are your views? Like, how should this thing be eradicated and what should be used?
I think sometimes I feel very nice that young generation में जब ये सब discussions होती हैं and people have started changing, females को भी इतनी ही importance मिलने लगी है society में. Feminism is also about equality. It's not just about women. It's about equality. तो I think कहीं ना कहीं कभी-कभी इसका थोड़ा सा गलत फायदा उठाया जाता है. I think people should look into the matter and see who the culprit is. So both the cases have to be seen and then have to take an action. It's not always,
The one-sided thing.
one-sided thing. I think
Every coin has two sides.
Exactly.
Definitely.
Right.
Thank
So
you.
when there's talk about feminism, and we have many girls here, could you, like you've said, you've participated in many beauty pageants.
Yes,
So-
I participated in many beauty pageants. Not many, but 2 to 3 because then मुझे उसके बाद काफ़ी opportunities आने लग गई. Then my mind shifted to work and other things. So I was also supposed to go for Miss India, but then things were already going so nice, so I didn't go there.
Could you, if you don't mind, could you walk for us and probably give some tips to?
Yeah, sure. I
models?
don't mind. I think
And if anybody wants to walk with you.
I don't mind.
People, those who wish to join Ria, please step down on the stage. Like,
I don't think.
Would
so.
any
Anyone
girl
wants
want,
to.
or maybe guys also? Why not?
oh yeah, ma'am, we can
You can
also-
first maybe show them how to do it from your experience.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Okay, can we have?
You can play a song.
Yeah,
then
can we
I
have,
don't
can we
mind.
have some music, please?
No, some loud song. Was this okay? Was this song?
Yeah. Once. Yeah. Can we have the multimedia, please?
Can you replay it, please?
Can we have a round of applause for Ria, please, guys? Whoa!
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. See what I mean? Bang, bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang, bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long.
Thank you so much.
I got no money.
I think it's just confidence and a little bit of training that helps you when you want to go ahead in modeling and beauty pageant. That's it. And nothing
Definitely.
else, guys. Trust me.
So what are your core things like? How do you develop confidence? How do you face the cameras? And typically, I had this weird imagination where I've been through various Bollywood stars interview. Like they are complaining कि अगर हमको like ऐसा street food खाना होता है, if we feel eager to have that pani puri. even
I
we can't
still
go
do
and
it.
have-
I still do
Yeah.
it no matter what. People do see me on the streets and definitely come and take selfies and they repost and they post it also. I don't mind. I mean, because there are very few times I get cheat days because I'm on diet always. तो मैं तो बिंदास
So
खाती हूँ.
how different the life has been beyond and behind the camera?
I think I have to be very careful when I speak what the actions are, and I have to present myself very, very nicely in front of camera. And beyond the camera, it's the same real life that I was. I make sure that I don't lose that where I come from.
Yeah.
I try to maintain
Core
that.
values, core
I
values.
try to stay grounded by spending more time with my family and friends
Core values,
without
core
camera. Yes.
You mentioned about the cheat days. So, do you think it's really difficult because most of the days of the year you might be on a specific diet? How does it feel?
It feels really bad. Actually, it's not that easy for me. I don't know about other people. I'm not the one who is lucky. You know, वो girls होती हैं जो कुछ भी खाती है फिर भी skinny रहती है. मैं खाती हूँ और वो दिख जाता है. So I have to be very strict when it comes to that. And cheat days मुझे बहुत कम मिलते हैं. तो बट करना पड़ता है because I am into some profession where I have to look fit, where I have to stay lean. So I have no other option. But yeah, it's very difficult and very sad when it comes to food.
Right. So you're also millennium. I am sure these kids would be able to connect to you. Any advice that you would want to give to the audience for the career or success? Any tips that work the best?
I think what has worked best according to me is वो ही करना चाहिए जिसमें आपका दिल हो या इंटरेस्ट हो, जहाँ पे आपको पैशन नजर आए. बिकॉज मनी इज आई थिंक हर फील्ड में होता है, बट जहाँ पे आपका इंटरेस्ट हो, जहाँ पे आपका पैशन हो, आई थिंक वहाँ पे आप अपना 100% दोगे. और जहाँ पे आप अपना 100% देते हो, वहाँ पे आपको डेफिनेटली सक्सेस मिलता है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इन माय एक्सपीरियंस.
So true, so true.
Of all the very famous celebrities you might have met, or you meet, or you be with them on day-to-day basis, who do you feel? I mean, who do you like the most?
Who do I like the most? Okay,
Of
so
all
I've met
that you've
a lot of
worked-
people. I have met a lot of people. I have met a lot of celebrities, directors and producers. But because I have done a reality show and I closely know Ranvijay sir and Sunny ma'am because हमने दिन रात उनके साथ time spend किया है. They have been very positive and very motivating. They guide you and they're very down to earth. So उनके साथ मेरा experience काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा रहा है.
You said down to earth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Humility, I think, also comes with experience.
Sorry?
Humility comes with experience
Exactly.
too and should come.
Exactly.
Now, I can't wait anymore. We would want to see you performing with few of our students.
I don't mind.
Even I think there would be many people in the
Can we have the
audience,
music?
even those who would be excited to join you.
We should know now who wants
Yeah.
to perform.
We want some students on stage, please. Come on, Batch 2021. Stand up, join girls and boys.
People, those who are willing to dance with Riya can step on the stage.
Don't make me feel
This is the
embarrassed if no one
opportunity.
comes.
Karthik,
Come.
people, this
Right
is
now.
a lifetime opportunity that we will be getting.
Even girls can.
Even girls, boys, those who wish to join for a little party they can come over here.
Come on, stand and come, guys,
Come on,
join.
come on, we are waiting for you.
Whoa!
हाय नी हाय नखरा तेरा नी हाय रेटेड गब्बरू ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾय ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ਹਾय ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੀ मीठी मीठी बातें है कमाल कर गई आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर गई हाँ तेरी मीठी मीठी बातें है कमाल कर गई आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर गई आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर गई दिल्ली दे किन्ने मरदे ने ते किन्ने पई हाय नखरा तेरा नी हाय रेटेड गब्बरू ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾय ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ब्राउन ब्राउन स्किन तेरी करती दीवाना है तेरे लिए मुंडिया ने छड्डिया जमाना है
Thank you so much.
That was a lovely performance. Thank you so much. And the way you have evolved as an influencer, like through TikTok and through Instagram Reels, like what have been your content marketing strategy? Like influencer marketing strategy, what did you had in your mind?
I think I had a strategy, you should put content, whether it's pictures or whether it's videos, which is relatable to common people. दैट इज़ वॉट पीपल लाइक. मैं कुछ ऐसे हाई फंडू चीज़ें करती हूँ तो लोग इतना रिलेट नहीं कर पाते हैं. कोई ऐसा कंटेंट जो लोग रिलेट कर पाए, जो लोगों को अच्छा लगे, जो लोगों को ऐसे लगे कि हाँ यार ये तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट पीपल लाइक.
Like for the reach, because I guess like I have a youth management company, I have a youth conclave. People might be having different pages. For example, some would have their graffiti stores, some would have their painting stores, a small business. Like how do we get reach? Because what we have seen is all the big fame people, celebrities have a ad PR agency for them to manage their social medias, to manage everything. They have a critically acclaimed procedure. Like what do you used to follow just as a newbie into the industry?
I think it would have been never possible doing everything me alone. Even I have a team since the start. I have a people who shoot for me, who talk with the brands, and who strategize. So there has to be a team of at least 3 to 4 people if you want to do any kind of work on social media, if you want to run any page, or maybe it's an influencer as well, because आप अकेले नहीं कर पाओगे वो चीज़ें. And there are different qualities that you should know while running any business or while doing any kind of social media marketing. So you need to have 3 to 4 expertise people with you.
Definitely. And like, I just had this question. When did you realize that, like, when was the moment when you felt you have attained celebrity phase, or when you have, because I guess you did some Bollywood dance song videos before this.
Exactly.
And then you entered into Splitsvilla. But
Exactly.
you are like, you have the Splitsvilla thing as your fame. So how was it when you realized?
So TikTok जैसे चल रहा था वैसे वैसे people started recognizing me because that was the most popular app in fact at a time, and उसकी वजह से I started getting opportunities for music videos and other stuff. I also started getting opportunities for web series, but I am waiting for the right script, for the right things जो मुझे जिसमें comfortable लगे. And then I got this offer for Splitsvilla. I think people already knew me before coming on the show, and that created a hype. So I think since TikTok धीरे-धीरे करके मुझे hype मिलती गई. Wherever I used to go, people used to know me कि हमने आपको TikTok पे देखा है, हमने आपको music video में देखा है. Now because अभी Splitsvilla काफी fresh है तो people are like हमने आपको Splitsvilla में देखा है.
Like you just talked about the offers from web series and everything else.
Yeah.
So according to you, what is the right kind of script that you are waiting for?
I think there are a lot of contents on web series and serials. There are so many contents, so many scripts. I think it's your personal choice. Because I'm waiting for a script जो लोगों को पसंद आए देखने में, जो लोगों को relatable लगे, जो actually लोगों को story पसंद आए. So it's not right or wrong, but I'm just looking for my kind of story जिसमें मैं अच्छे से enact करके अच्छा performance दे पाऊँ, because that is going to be my first web series. So I'm being very careful about it.
In this conversation, we went really beyond, like from just a 10-second TikTok video to a whole 10 hours web series.
I am like that.
how
I
do you
talk so much.
So while being into the Generation Z, like we find very difficult to grab the attention of the audience. Okay, the attention span in this generation is very less. So how do you correlate the 10-second video of TikToks to a 10-hour web series? How the content delivery is different?
Content delivery is very different. I think, there's a whole team working behind web series, and शायद social media पे इतने efforts नहीं लगते, मुझे लगता है उससे थोड़े कम लगते हैं. And I have shooted for a reality show, and I know कि पूरे क्रू हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के पीछे भागते हैं दिन रात. इनफैक्ट हमें सिर्फ 3 या 4 घंटे की ही नींद मिलती थी एक दिन के लिए. सो उस 1 घंटे के एपिसोड के लिए वी हैड टू पुट सो मच ऑफ आवर्स. सो आई थिंक वेब सीरीज इज अ टोटली डिफरेंट थिंग, एंड सोशल मीडिया इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग.
Like,
it's a drastic difference.
We talk about the reality shows, so coming down to the whole soul called Splitsvilla. So how was your experience? Like you just said, it's a whole mix of emotions, anger, love, empathy, and everything is there. So how do you describe your Splitsvilla's journey?
My journey was hilarious because I don't know, for the people who have watched see, it's a dating show, right?
Yeah.
And I had no intention to date anyone, but at least like you need a partner to perform with.
Definitely.
And he was the worst person for me. Anyways, so उसकी वजह से मेरी journey थोड़ी बहुत it was full of ups and downs, but I made good friends, and those people are still friends with me even after the show, and they have helped me a lot. So I had okay journey. But it was very stressful. It was not just for me, but I think हर एक contestant के लिए हम सोचते थे आज कौन eliminate होगा और आज तो हम बाहर जाएंगे. मैंने अपनी जिंदगी पूरी वहाँ पे dumping zone में निकाली. So it was a bit stressful but fun at the same time. when it came to task and challenges, बहुत fun किया मैंने.
So is it as real as it seems on the screens?
Extremely, it's 100% real. It's 200% real. I mean, वहाँ पे we didn't had phones. We were not in touch with our family and friends. So automatically ना कहीं आप emotional assistance अपने friends में ढूंढते हो, अपने partners में ढूंढते हो. And कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग सोचते हो कि यार इतने कम time में ये लोग कैसे मरते हैं एक दूसरे के लिए, कैसे लड़ते हैं. Because वैसा environment वहाँ पे होता है.
Definitely, like that is being reflected to your Instagram post. You are still in touch. You go for
Exactly.
dinner nights. and everything.
Exactly.
So, what do you think is the true spirit for a survival in a reality show where people put their mean personalities over their true empathy and humanity?
I think reality shows में लोगों को ऐसे दिमाग में डाल देते कि you have to be mean, only then you will survive, and that's the truth. That's the truth, and मैंने वो चीज़ follow नहीं की. So you have to be very, very, very strong and mean and very selfish when you have to survive. आपको सबसे पहले अपने आप को रखना पड़ता है, अपने फायदे के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है if you want to go ahead and if you want to survive. And you should have right kind of people around you again.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
So Ria, these are first year students. They've just come to college. It's their induction. I want to ask the last few questions related
Yeah.
to your college life.
Yeah, sure, you can go ahead.
Yeah. So, what should they not miss doing?
They should not miss bunking lectures. I'm sorry to give such advice, but I was a very naughty student in my time. I was not much focused on studies. मैंने सिर्फ graduation करने के लिए की, but guys, you need to focus because obviously हमारे future का सवाल है. But spending time with friends, lunch breaks, bunking थोड़े बहुत कभी lectures, कभी वरना मुझे कॉलेज वाले निकाल देंगे. सीधे experiences you take away with you, and then आपको फिर याद आती है वो चीज़ें कि मेरे कैसे फ्रेंड्स बनाए, मैंने कितनी मस्ती की, हम ये लेक्चर में क्या करते थे एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई थिंक वो आपको जिंदगी भर याद रहता है. सो यू शुड मेक इट मेमोरेबल एंड यू शुड नॉट मिस दिस चांस.
Right. And what did you hate about your college life?
Lectures. I literally used to, I was an average student, but जो पकाओ लेक्चर्स होते थे मैं उनमें बहुत सोती थी लास्ट बेंच पे, और मेरा नाम बहुत खराब था कॉलेज में. So थोड़ा सा मुझे पढ़ाई से नफरत थी.
Fine. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Guys, पूरी तरीके से फॉलो मत करना वरना मुझे बहुत गाली देंगे टीचर्स. थोड़ा सा ही फॉलो करना.
So moving on with that academical lifestyle that you just said, like did your corporate lifestyle had any effect on you stepping down into the newbie industry of this? Like as you mentioned, you had a corporate job.
I had experience, so that was a very hilarious experience. पहले मैंने 10 दिन जॉब की, सैलरी लेके भाग गई. उसके बाद अगेन आई डिड इट फॉर लाइक अ मंथ, no 3 days. क्यों इतनी बारिश आ रही थी, मुझे ऑटो नहीं मिल रही थी, एंड अगेन आई क्विट फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. एंड देन उसके बाद 2 months तक मैंने डेडिकेशन पूरा दिखाया, एंड समवेयर आई रियलाइज्ड कि यहाँ पे मेरे को क्रिएटिविटी नहीं मिल रही है, यहाँ पे मैं अपने मन का नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. देयर इज़ वेरी वही बोरिंग लोग और वही बोरिंग काम. सो इसलिए आई वॉज समवन हु कुडंट, आई एम समवन जो एक जगह पे बैठ नहीं सकती. आई नीड टू डू समथिंग क्रिएटिव, डू समथिंग न्यू एवरी डे. तो ये मेरी पर्सनैलिटी है. बाकी ऐसा नहीं है, काफ़ी लोग हैं जो कॉर्पोरेट में काम करते हैं, दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट एंड वो काफ़ी मेहनत करते हैं, बट सबका अपना अपना टाइप होता है. और मेंटली वो मुझे काफ़ी अफेक्ट कर रहा था बिकॉज दैट वाज नॉट समथिंग आई वांटेड टू डू इन लाइफ.
I was just curious to know, like what kind of a job, like 10 दिन में salary?
हाँ, क्योंकि मैंने एंड डेज पे ज्वाइन किया था, एंड जब वो 1 तारीख आई तो मैंने निकल गई वहाँ से.
Thank you, Ria.
Yeah,
We had a lovely
yeah.
session with you.
Few students have questions.
Yeah.
Does
So-
anyone have any questions?
The floor is open
Yeah.
now. If anybody wants to ask a question,
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah,
sure.
please go ahead.
Hi, can you hear me?
Hi.
Hi. So I think I enjoy watching Splitsvilla, but I feel like at a time, do you think shows like Splitsvilla end up objectifying men and women both?
No, I don't think so. It doesn't objectify men and women. It's just for fun and entertainment basis. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. वो लोग कुछ गलत intentions ऐसे दिखाते नहीं है reality shows में. It's just for fun purpose. I don't think so. You should take it seriously. सिर्फ मजा और time pass के लिए रखना चाहिए वो चीज़ें.
But ma'am, so many people watch this show. So I feel like,
Can you just be a bit louder?
yeah, I'm saying so many people watch this show. So it's not possible that none of them are taking it seriously because it has a huge fan following.
It has definitely a huge impact. But जो reality shows के makers होते हैं उनका ऐसा कोई intention नहीं होता कि वो men या women को objectify करे, discriminate करे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. And वो वहाँ पे situations ऐसी हो जाती हैं, हम एक दूसरे को सुनाते हैं, झगड़ते हैं because हम अपने family से दूर होते हैं. And तो कहीं ना कहीं वो frustration build up हो जाती है, वो bond build up होती है. And it's part of every reality show. So इसमें इतना कुछ बुराई नहीं है, I guess.
Right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do we have anyone else?
Anyone else?
Yes.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
Could you
boy in
please
the t-shirt.
pass?
Can we please have a mic over there?
Pass the mic. We take a few questions only. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear
Hi.
me?
There, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, hi.
So this might be a little bit irrelevant, but like since you have been in a reality...
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you just lower down your mask? You aren't
Don't
audible.
worry, नहीं होगा corona. बोलो.
So yeah, this might be a little bit irrelevant, but like since you have been in a reality show, what are your views on reality shows being scripted? Like a lot of people right now, अभी बहुत सारे लोग हैं, अभी there's this ongoing show जिसको लोग like they're angry over the fact that it's scripted, it's completely scripted.
So basically, I don't know about other reality shows, but Splitsvilla, I have an experience, and it's not scripted at all. It's completely on your mind game, how you play it, how you make your bonds with people. And scripted तो ये show नहीं है. बाकी shows का I can't say anything, but this is not scripted. This is 100% real. बहुत spontaneous चीजें होती है वहाँ पे. सिर्फ हमको तो पता भी नहीं था कि टास्क क्या होने वाला है. हम जब वहाँ पे पहुँचते थे तब हमको पता चलता था कि ऐसे ऐसे करना है. So it is that real and spontaneous, and it's very fun and it's very adventurous. If people who wanna go ahead and experience it, you should definitely do it. It's a nice experience.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Yeah. Any other hands?
Yes, anyone else?
We
Could
have
you
over
please
here.
pass the mic.
Boy in red. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
I would like to ask if when you are on camera, when you are on the role, do you have to alter your personality a bit here and there?
I'm not able to understand. I think अगर कोई सीरीज या शो या कोई शॉर्ट फिल्म होती है देन इट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग बिकॉज आई हैव टू एक्ट एज अ कैरेक्टर. बट वैसे आई एक्चुअली हैव स्प्लिट पर्सनैलिटीज, एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे कैमरा पे अलग बिहेव करना है, मैं यहाँ बात कर रही हूँ अलग कर रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट रियल. जहाँ पे भी मुझे स्क्रिप्ट नहीं मिलती है वहाँ पे मेरा ऐसा ही नेचर है, वेदर इट इज़ कैमरा, वेदर इट इज़ नॉट कैमरा, एंड वेदर इट इज़ इंस्टाग्राम लाइव, आई एम द सेम.